If you stop to look at it, does your role as a parent stop simply because your son is a highly paid executive in Silicon Valley or something? And then you can always say, my son is in Silicon Valley. मैं बहुत कितना बड़ा आदमी हूँ, मेरा लड़का सिलिकॉन वैली में है. If you want to enjoy your pride, Jolly will come there and do babysitting. आप देख रहे हैं डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स कैसे होते जा रहे थे. आपको रिपीट ऑन द वन हैंड ये होता है, मेरा लड़का कैलिफोर्निया में हाँ हूँ, एट द सेम टाइम मेरा लड़का बुला रहा है, क्यों बुला रहा है? बेबीसिटिंग करने को, टू चेंज द डायपर ऑफ द ग्रैंडसन और ग्रैंडडॉटर. Well, both them, I'm not saying it is wrong, don't get me wrong. My elder son was born in the United States in Cleveland in 1971. In blizzards, I have gone across, cleaned the snow in the driveway, come back and painted the crane, etc., etc. I have gone through in 1971. How many years? 38 years ago. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि अच्छा ही होता है, मगर आप सोचिए, अगर एक चीज का आप अभिमान से, अहंकार से कहना चाहें कि मेरा लड़का अमेरिका में ये है, और उसी वक्त आपको ये लगता है कि भाई मेरा भी लड़का मुझे बुला रहा है ताकि मैं उधर जाके बेबीसिटिंग करके उसको लड़के को डायपर बदलूं, पार्ट ऑफ द पैकेज. Does your parent tell you that? I don't know. Now, if I'm coming back to my own case, I told you, I have no pat answers. There are people who will say, you should ask your son, ask him what's khalaka, that is good parenting. Or, I don't know what my son is doing, he is doing some financial mathematics for stock exchange. I don't know anything. You say, you don't know. Parenting does not stop. Parenting does not stop. It carries on. यहाँ पे आपको एक विद्यालय है, we are coming to the end of this. You know the point? Stop thinking of your relationship with your children as parent to child. At some point in time, you change. Change over from a parent to a friend. It doesn't mean that you cannot be your son's friend when he is in pre-KG. Of course you can be. A parent should be a friend first and last, irrespective of the age. But the relative role of parenting vis-a-vis extending a hand of friendship will vary over a period of time. And beyond the point, if you know when to withdraw, for instance, I'm going back to that your own son Raj coming and telling you, Dad, this is Vinod, my lover. Will you just be a friend? What will you say? Okay, son, I heard you. I wish you well. Are you sure you are going in the right direction? You can't say, I am your parent, हमारे खानदान में ऐसा नहीं होता. Sorry, your own son will say, Daddy, तुम्हारा खानदान लेके जाओ तुम, अरबियन समुद्र में जाओ. तुम्हारा खानदान तुम्हारा, मेरा. I love Vinod, I love Rajesh, I love Kodar Raman, whatever. Your role can and should only be one of raising issues at a fundamental level and making your own son think for himself about the responsibilities and accountabilities of his thoughts and actions in times to come. That's all there is to friendship. What is friendship ultimately? If somebody wants 20,000 rupees, हाथ बंद करके 20,000 दे दिया, वो दोस्ती नहीं है. वो बड़ा दोस्त है, क्यों? मेरे को पैसा दिया, वाह. दोस्तों को पैसा देंगे, कुछ भी देंगे. Values की सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, सिर्फ you should ask the right question so that the thinking process is stimulated in the best possible balanced manner. That's all there is to it. So, ultimately, remember, your child is a separate, complete, independent, standalone unit. हालांकि आपका खुद उसके नस में बह रहा है, वो सब ठीक है, मगर वो इंडिपेंडेंट चीज है. So parenting, the art and science of parenting involves when to stop, when to let go. छोड़. यहाँ पे कबीर जी का एक भजन है, आज मैं आपके सामने नहीं रखूंगा क्योंकि वक्त कम है. कबीर बचपन से लेकर के आपको आपके दम तक आपकी जिंदगी कैसी चलती है और किस लेवल पे आपको किधर इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए, किधर नहीं इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए, उसके बारे में बताते हैं कि अल्टीमेटली पेरेंटिंग हैज टू एंड. You end it in your own way, in your own comfortable, proper, natural way, which is acceptable to the ones who are near and dear to you.
So, parenting is not control, domination or authority. Parenting is support, encouragement and help when the child requires. It is a continuous process and movement. As you said, actually parents, when we are young, they compare us between brothers and sisters.
Right.
He is studying well, he is playing sports well, he is doing music well, or he is studying. And
Yes.
then when we come to school or when we start working, they see more salary, more status, more position, and they compare between brothers. When two brothers come home, the brother who is earning more, mother will give more in that plate or to his children and less that way. And even children then compare when the parents come home. They are saying babysitting now. When the parents come, their children compare that mother's doing more, father's not doing less. Because we compare when we are young. When we go to school, teachers compare between, if the child is coming first, she'll show more love and disrespect the other students. So dignity and respect should be given to everybody. That is equality. Equality is not treating equally, but respect and dignity to every individual and recognizing the inherent nature in that individual and bringing out the talent.